Said the robin to the sparrow, I would really like to know why these anxious human beings rush about and worry so. Said the sparrow to the robin, Friend, I think it must be that they have no heavenly Father, such as cares for you and me. That's what the birds are saying. Why is this guy in RLCF so worried about something? Why is this sister in RLCF so anxious? And one bird says to the other, perhaps they don't have a heavenly Father like we have. We're so happy, we sing in the morning, and these birds that sing early in the morning. But these people in RLCF don't do that. They get up in the morning and they grumble and complain and fight with each other. They don't have a heavenly Father like us. Dear brothers and sisters, don't let the birds put you to shame.